आप जब गाली भी देते हो ना स्क्रीन पे तो वो गाली कूल लगने लगती है, मतलब ऐसा लगता है यार ये तो
Sakshi, I have I have directed her in a play which was for her college dramatic society. I was
ऐसा क्या होगा मनोज जी के दिमाग में कि अभी तक मैंने ये नहीं करा और ये किसी ने मुझे ऑफर नहीं किया.
Hi, this is Manoj Bajpayee. You are listening to me with RJ Himani.
Let's think aloud and Radio Chutney. You're tuned in with me, Himani, and आज जिनका इंटरव्यू हम लेने जा रहे हैं, तो obviously उनका इंट्रोडक्शन मैं क्या करूं, मैं तो कर ही नहीं सकती, because when I decided to write this introduction, I had nothing to write because his work is his introduction. You know, जब हम देखते हैं and we are like left absolutely speechless. So let's welcome Manoj Bajpayee. Hello, Manoj ji, how are you?
Thank you very much. I'm fine, by God's grace.
Yes. This year has been fantastic for you. You know, एक के बाद आपके performances and every time you are on screen, it is a treat. You know, we don't see anything else, but we see you do what you do. Crime thrillers, you know, recently has been your big forte, and you have been absolutely killing it. Your cool, calm demeanor is something जो आपने master कर लिया है. कैसे कर लेते हो? मतलब जो आप screen पे करते हो as somebody who's, you know, on the side of law and fighting crime, how do you do and make it look so cool and so easy and so amazing?
No, I don't look at it that way. Always focusing on the character and the backstory and the characterization and the requirements of the director or the character or the vision I try to follow of the director. So yeah,
Right.
I mean, lot of practice, lot of rehearsals, the preparation at home, the process of an actor, the reading the script, you know, more than 10 times, 15 times, 20 times at times. So yeah, I mean, it's a lot of hard work goes into playing a real character who is made of flesh and blood, and who has a mind of its own. She's
Right.
always about trying to understand the other mind.
Right. So now this show releases today. We've seen the trailer. It's extremely intriguing. Fantastic performances. How was it for you working with another star performer like Neena Gupta and of course Sakshi Talwar?
I mean, these are two, two marvelous actors, and who have, really proved themselves over the years. Neena Gupta ji, she's been a theatre senior. She has done the journey that she's had as an actor on her own terms and conditions. She has really set an example of what a female actor can do and how she can lead her life, without any fear, without anybody's without thinking what people are saying or not saying. I mean, she's really been a remarkable person in a dignified way that she has led her life. She's been an inspiration for both me and my wife, and so it was a privilege sharing this space with her.
Right.
With Sakshi, I have, I have directed her in a play which was for her college dramatic society. I was invited there to direct a play.
Wow.
And I was too young. She was in first or second year, so she played the lead in that play. And and I remember telling her to take this acting seriously. She was a very good actor, and now by default she came into acting, and now she has made a name for herself. She's quite a force to she has given me all the reasons to be proud of her. I mean, look at the way she look at the way she has carried herself over the years, and what a dignified woman that she has turned out to be. Marvelous actor, marvelous woman. What else you want from a person who has done a lead in your play long time back?
Yeah, absolutely. I think it is a great story there. एक चीज मनोज जी आपसे चुराना चाहेंगे, या I'm sure a lot of actors would take inspiration from, is your process of preparing for a role or getting into a character. It's remarkable. मतलब आप जब गाली भी देते हो ना स्क्रीन पे, तो वो गाली कूल लगने लगती है. मतलब ऐसा लगता है यार ये तो क्रूड और क्रास साउंड ही नहीं हो रहा, ये कितना अमेजिंग साउंड हो रहा है. हम भी देते हैं. Whether it is Family Man हो या this series that releases today. What's your process now? You're playing a cop in Dial 100. What's your process of really getting into the character once you read the script? कैसे घुस जाते हो ऐसे?
Reading a script is never once. It's as I call it, that the script is an actor's grunt. This has all the answers. And this has instead of asking each and every small questions to a director, you should get back to script all the time. The script is something that I always carry with me. It's always kept on my bed. It's kept on the sofa that I sit on. Right now, it's actually the phone is on my script at this point of time. The script of my next project. So I keep carrying it like a child with me. So I keep flipping through. I keep reading it. I have to know my script, which I'm part of, which I'm doing. I have to know it backwards, and it has all the answers. You just have to read them again and again very carefully and keep noting down. The physical noting down, some mental notes I make, then few of the rehearsals alone I do. So it's a constant. It's a thing that you sleep with, breathe, eat. It's never leaving you. So I enjoy the preparation part more than the acting part. So it's so immersive. It kind of it gives me so much of happiness when I'm really preparing for a character.
Yeah, and I'm sure that totally reflects in the work that you do. Like, I've not seen the paps go after you. I've not seen unless it is your film or your series or anything that does all the talking for you. I don't see that you giving hundreds of other interviews and all of that. So Manoj Bajpayee as a brand, his work speaks for himself, and there's nobody else that needs to do the talking for you. OTT platforms, Manoj, OTT platforms have brought more entertainment to the living room. More opportunities, less censorship. Is it a good time for content being dished out? What's your take?
Hindi film industry Hindi film industry has really fallen in the hands of few, okay, and few who are kind of ruling the theaters. They completely captured the exhibition system or the distribution system, and it became very difficult for any other filmmaker, any other actor to really penetrate into it. If at all, if I was part of some big budget films, then only people have used to get a chance to see me. Or for my independent films, I had to really run from pillar to post to get my film distributed, released, and get really good shows. But it was very difficult. It was very difficult. Now with OTT, since it's so democratic, so liberating, it gives you a sense of freedom where you can think wildly as a writer, imagine as far as you can.
Yeah.
And as an actor, it gives me opportunity and space to explore, to innovate, and really deal with some unique characters which are at par with any other characters in the world. So it's an amazing platform. It came as a blessing to so many of us.
I'm sure.
It has really done justice to our passion for the craft. Craft of acting, or craft of filmmaking, or craft of camera. So the people who wanted to be part of such great work, this is the time, and such a great time to be working.
Absolutely. And it's amazing, with the kind of content that ZEE5 Global is dishing out, month on month, great films, great series. Manoj ji, ऐसा कोई role है या ऐसा कोई काम है जो you think that यार अभी तक मैंने ये नहीं किया? I was trying to think when I was trying to pen down questions for you कि ऐसा क्या होगा मनोज जी के दिमाग में कि अभी तक मैंने ये नहीं करा और ये किसी ने मुझे ऑफर नहीं किया. ऐसा क्या है?
मेरे दिमाग में ऐसी कोई बात आती नहीं है. मेरे सामने जो स्क्रिप्ट होती है मैं उसी को देखता हूँ, उसी में से अच्छा चूज करता हूँ। लेकिन देखिए कहानियां तो बहुत हैं इस दुनिया में, और खास करके इंडिया भारत में जितने लोग हैं, 130 करोड़ की जनता है यहाँ पे, 130 करोड़ स्टोरीज हैं यहाँ पे, 130 करोड़ स्टोरीज हैं यहाँ पे। एंड इंडिया इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, एक्साइटिंग एंड ड्रामेटिक प्लेस। तो कहानियां हर जगह हैं। लिखने वाला चाहिए, करने वाले तो मौजूद हैं, लिखने वाला चाहिए।
Absolutely, very well said. मनोज जी, पता है ZEE5 Global जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं who represent the South Asian stories on a global platform, on a global stage. आपका क्या मानना है, about this, about the representation of these kind of South Asian stories on a global platform?
It's amazing. I mean, ZEE5 is doing so well. I mean, as a global platform, and it is only expanding. It's only beginning. Yeah, I would say. And they are putting in all their resources into it, and really backing great stories. I personally feel that the platform, any platform is as big as the story that they are showcasing. A platform or an actor or a director cannot be bigger than the medium itself, or can be bigger than the story itself that they are part of. So yeah, I just hope and pray that ZEE5, the Z Globe, 5 keeps on going globally in every corner of the world and entertain them. Indian ethos, Indian culture, Indian stories, Indian stories, and how remarkable this population is, who never forgets to smile even in the biggest of adversity.
Yeah, absolutely. Manoj ji, Family Man का अगला सीजन कब आ रहा है? I know I'm not supposed to ask you this question here, but मैं थोड़ा सा अपना squeeze ही कर देती हूँ कि अगला सीजन, any idea when we can wait for it?
No, see, I mean, next month I believe they will start sitting on writing, and writing takes a lot of time. It's like writing 4 films. So, and it will 4 films means 5 months to kahin nahi gaye. I mean, it's they have to go on writing, draft after draft, and then after that they will start getting into the pre-production mode, then shooting. So it will take at least 1 year, more than 1 year, for season 3 to really, and also you have to, because the pandemic time, you never know when the lockdown is again going to happen, but we are still in partial lockdown here. So for the shooting to happen, for everything to move very rapidly, you need to have, the free access to everything, a free atmosphere, a shooting atmosphere outside.
Right. मनोज जी, फाइनली सब लोग देखेंगे डायल 100 आज से। सिंगापुर एंड जो सिंगापुर के अराउंड नेशंस है, जैसे मलेशिया एंड द एपैक रीजन, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे उनको अबाउट डायल 100? प्लीज अ ह्यूज शाउट आउट फॉर आवर फैंस हियर जो बहुत ज्यादा है।
And a big shout out to all the Malaysian audience and Singaporean and the Thailand, all of these guys. It's a unique thriller with lot of emotion. It talks about the relationship between father and son, and husband and wife, and it also talks about the young generation going completely astray and falling into the dangerous trap outside. How helpless the parents are in controlling them. How dangerous it is for the children outside to venture out at this age. So they are so vulnerable. It is also talking about such issues which are which are just more than just being a simple thriller. So I would request each and every audience of that part of the world to really watch this film, not only to be entertained by a thriller, but also to know what world we are living in, is how to protect our children from outside danger.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much, sir, for doing this. All the very best, and of course we look forward to seeing all your shows in future. Thank you.
Thank you.